Hello everyone, it's Peter here and Andrew. We both are now working towards the right to repair. And yeah, so we will have some help, hopefully more videos for the audience. And today we've got this phone. I'll change to the DSLR. Guys, so this phone has been fixed, new battery was fitted, everything works apart from one thing. Home button, it says 7 Plus iPhone. Unfortunately, it's working only in the way that it's recognizing that the touch, but it doesn't work as per like go back home feature. Oh, I didn't unscrew the screw, so yeah, I'll find the screwdriver because I don't remember which screwdriver I was using, and I unpause because I don't remember which one it is. I don't want you to spend time on watching it. Okay, so the screws are unscrewed and we can continue with opening this phone. For those who don't know, you need to do it from the bottom. I was using hot air previous time, now it's just 24 hours. I want to see how it holds without the hot air. Will I be able to try it or no? Or it's holding so well? It's actually looking like a new one. You can't access it, so probably we will have to use hot air to access this phone. At least it's unscrewed, so it should go off. But yeah, I can't. So I'll put the hot air station here. I'll get the suction element and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Let's get the hot air. Airflow, I would say about 50% airflow, and temp over 50% on my one. Oh. Okay, that will be about the distance. Get prepared with these two. Okay, so I'm not heating to the level that I could damage something, because I can hold my hand and I feel warm, nice, like a hot but warm. So for sure we can't damage something with that. Still, it's just the outer layer. The bottom will be still cold, yeah. I've used the glue T7000 and I've used original sealant, well, not original but sealant from eBay for 168, so both of them are holding here. Okay, but this should be quite warm by now. Cool. Let me start to pry. Sorry?
It's not Sunday.
No, still holds. Still holds. Maybe closer to the home button. Well, yeah, we're inside. Okay, if we're inside, you can heat up a bit both sides. Should be fine. Okay. Okay, I'll pause when it will stop giving us a noise, we can continue. Okay guys, so for those who don't know, you can use as well those pry tools. You can buy them on eBay. They are quite cheap actually. I don't know if I will put them here, if that would be better. But maybe off the light. That's ACENIX, this one. That's ACENIX as well. And that just a random. But you can put prying tool or opening tool for phones and you can get these off eBay. They're not dear. See, I had in the packaging like that. So it's fine. But anyways, you know, it's opened, yes? So it's opened and we can see that on okay, so here is nothing what could be damaged. Everything is looking okay. No cable damage or anything. All looks good. So let's switch on the phone. switch it on. And let's see the problem. And then we can unscrew that part where the connection is made. Okay, so guys, sorry, but I'm not entitled. It's customer data, so you know. So okay, let's go to the settings. And you see I'm pressing and it's not allowing me to go back. Harder, less harder. But when I'm pressing the up, which is a dot, it's going back in a regular way. Okay. So what I'd say is now switch it off. Once it's completely off, so the dot, it will disappear. We can remove this part. I'll leave something here to put it on. Let's get out those 4 screws. You can skip or like the video now. Okay, I don't know which screwdriver it is. So let's try something. And the last one. Ooh. Okay, is it on? On, off, good. So, get a battery. Okay, so the battery is off. Now we can disconnect screen. Screen has 3 connectors in total. No, that's for the camera, so that's 2 connectors. Okay. Now I can check under the light and under the magnification if those connectors are good or bad. And same on the ribbon cable. Okay, I don't see any damage. That's a good thing. And neither on this or on this. Actually, you know what? Let's pause it. I'll get the scope and you can see yourself. Okay, so we're back, and here is under the microscope. We've got connectors visible. Okay, so that's the power connector. Those are the 2 connectors which we had. It comes from the display part to this. It's no damage visible on this one. Now this is the outer layer of the connector, first one, and that's the second one. No visible damage on any side whatsoever. Now I'd like to check the other side as well under the scope to be true, not only one side. And I want to hold it. Yes, I don't see any damage on this connector. And what about this connector? No, this I won't do it what I've done with that one. It's not, it's flexible, but it's glued. I need to unglue. Okay, now I unglue it. It's okay. Let's check on this side. as well. I don't see any damage on this connector. So because there's no damage, the only logical explanation to this home button issue would be that the connection itself had some issue. Okay, so maybe it wasn't inserted the way it meant to be inserted, but it's flat, it's stable. I couldn't do any better. And the same is with this one now. Okay, so the home button was working, and underneath the settings we could get it. We've seen it, yes, but only the touch didn't work. Okay, let's switch to the DSLR. I mean to the webcam. Let's switch on this phone. Okay, we got it. Put it down. That's just the sticker. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, got it. Let's go to settings. Nope. So it is not working. Where is the touch ID? Okay, if I will want to, let's say, add my finger, okay, on the bottom, sorry. Okay. Customer will have to remove my fingerprint. Okay, so it does feel that I'm touching, but it doesn't recognize my fingerprint. Okay, touch ID. So everything is okay. Unlock is active. But touch ID is not working. I don't know what to do, to be true. I don't know how to resolve it. I've got no idea how to fix it. Okay, but I can say that there is a problem which I don't understand. If anybody has any answer to that, I've connected it right, I've connected it second time, and this is not working the way it should. The only thing what I can think of is getting another iPhone, yes, and test it over there. You know, if this will work over there, and that means there is some problem with the software. If there is if it won't work over there, then that means there is some issue. But apart from that, I've got no idea. I've disconnected, connected right, I see all the connections right, so I don't know what to say. So guys, that's it. I can't tell anything in this video. Apart from that, I need to find a solution. If I will find a solution to it, I will post a video about it, what I've done. But for now, I need to think of something, because customer will want this phone back with a functioning touch. Yes, so we will have to find a solution so that everyone will be satisfied. But that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.